So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, ayan, bago lang ako nag-live boy. And here is the gulay guys, gulay. So nanguha ako ng gulay. Stop English. Hindi naman ka marunong mag-English. So nanguha ako ng gulay guys, ayan, ang aking gulay. Ito ay alagbati at sa English ay Malabar spinach daw. Pero this is alagbati po and kamote. So ayan, good morning here in the Philippines. Now it's October 30, 9 a.m. so it's okay. Hey, you see the background is very green. Yeah, very green, very refreshing guys to the eyes of the human. To the eyes of the human. So ayan po, thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ayan. The kutsilyo is ano ra ba? Ayan. Magtuking-tuking tayo dito ha. So ayan. Ngayon po ay October 30. So tomorrow is October 31 and holiday also. And today is holiday. So punta ako magpabunot sana ng ngipin but sarado po ang dentista. So ayan. Balik daw ako sa November 3. Thank you so much Sir Randy for the help. Always. Thank you so much Sir Randy. So ayan po. Thank you so much kay Sir Romel for supporting always. Thank you so much Sir Romel. Thank you. So, ayan, this is the gulay. Very green ang paligid. Yeah, this is the gulay guys. Ayan. Thank you for supporting. Hala, lanta na siya. Agad-agad. Ang dali niyang nalanta. Ayan. Thank you so much guys for the support always. And yeah. So uwi na to sa bahay guys. Wala tayong luka-luka dito. Wala tayong luka-luka dito ba. Uwi na ako sa bahay para magluluto ko itong gulay ko. Yan. At may papakita ko sa inyo ha. Oh. The papaya is full. The papaya is manada, maraming guys, maraming fruits. So ayan. So ayan guys, I am here and ito na ko sa loob ng bahay namin. So yung mga tibing sira daw ibebenta sa junk shop. Junk shop o ano ba yung bang nagbabahay-bahay sila para wala man kaming TV guys. Sugat akong mata. Wala kaming TV. So yung mga TV naming luma, sira na yan, matagal na, for how many years na, pero ginawa pa rin naming display diyan. See that? So yan, ginawa pa rin naming display yung TV na yan kahit wala na yung silbi for how many years na. So ibebenta ko yan. Alam niyo ba anong presyo diyan? 50 peso isang TV na ganyan. 50 peso lang guys. Pero ibebenta ko na yan. Wala naman yung ginagawa dyan. So ibebenta ko na yan siya. Para may pambili ako ng magic sarap at pang sibulyon at aho at bawang sa aking gulay today. So yung anak ko walang klase today. Kaya yan. After niya nagluto ng kanin, natulog na naman. So, pabayaan ko lang yan kasi wala naman siyang klase today. So, ayan guys. Thank you so much for joining. Hello.